Fuchsia red. Usually when we make our fuchsia red, we also make our customized pink. That's right, customized pink. Normally we use 4 teaspoons and 2-cup bottles to make our fuchsia according to the directions. And then how we make our pink is we only use half of a teaspoon. So it's like almost like 1/8 of whatever powder you're using. That's how we make our pink, but you can also make other pastel colors: pink, orange, purple, blue. Just cut down on the dye till you get the right color you want. Why buy it when you can make it? And it's customized, one of a kind pink. You can never duplicate the again. So that's how we make our pink with our fuchsia red. So here we go. We got everything mixed up. Here's our fuchsia red. Over here we have our custom pink. Fuchsia red, custom pink. So here's our custom pink. I let it dry for a few minutes so you can actually tell the difference. Fuchsia red, fuchsia pink. Fuchsia red, fuchsia pink.